Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about a new AI called Zine. It is an advanced AI tool that makes your images and designs better and more creative. Whether you are a designer, a gamer, or just love to experiment with images, Zine is the perfect solution for you. So stay tuned, because we will learn what Zine is, how to use it, and why it is becoming the favorite of millions of people. And yes, if you like such interesting technology, then press the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. What is Zine? So, what exactly is Zine? Well, imagine having a design assistant that's available 24/7, ready to help you craft high-quality visuals at the click of a button. That's Zine. Formerly known as Styler.ai, Zine is a powerful AI image and design tool. It offers incredible features like text-to-image generation, seamless editing, object removal, background changes, and even style transfers. Whether you're creating graphics for your business, working on game character designs, or just want to give your selfies an artistic touch, Zine's got your back. Why it's becoming a favorite for over 1 million monthly users. AI Photo Filter. Turn your portrait or photo into a cartoon with our AI filter. Zine, formerly Styler AI, makes it easy to turn your photo details and characters into creative art. Combine photos with AI. Creatively combine different elements into a complete photo and make them all match in style. Zine, formerly Styler AI, offers the world's best AI image combiner. Generative fill and edit. Easily add and replace objects in your photos. Zine, formerly Styler AI's generative fill, lets you quickly edit your photos by simply typing whatever you want. It saves you a lot of time compared to manual editing in Photoshop. Remove objects from photos. Quickly clean and edit your photos with our generative removal tool. Easily remove objects, watermarks, or people from a photo by marking them. Remove background from photos. Zine, formerly Styler AI's AI background remover, makes it easy to crop photos, even for tricky areas like hair and frizz. You can easily remove and replace photo backgrounds for free. AI Text Effects and Logo Maker. AI logo design is ideal for adding stunning texture to your text and logos, ensuring your projects make a strong impression. How to use Zine. If you want to test the feature of Design AI, then click on the Start for Free button under Create Your First Project in Design. A small pop-up window will appear. In this window, select one of the two options. The first option is Continue with Google, and the second option is Continue with Work Email. If I select Continue with Google, the system will automatically read my email. I will click Next, and then I will be logged into Design AI. You can also log in the same way. So as soon as you log in, the first window that will appear will say Pick your plan, but I will tell you how to use it for free in a while. But let's talk a little about its plan first. The beginner plan is $8.90 per month, and if you are a teacher or student, you will get 70% of the creator plan in this plan. The cost here is $19.99, but if you are a student or teacher, you will get 70% off in this plan as well, and you will not get any discount in its next plan, whether you are a student or a professional. Now let's talk about how to use it for free. For this, you will go down and click on Continue to Free. You will be asked some questions. The first question will be, where did you come to know about Design AI? You came to know about it from YouTube. If you select YouTube, the next question will be, what is your profession? If you are a teacher, you will select teacher or any other profession. Next, you will be asked a question that for what purpose do you want to use Design AI? Here, I select social media content and do the next one. So I will get a full tutorial of Design AI when I watch this full tutorial. Then my Design AI training is complete. Now I have got 50 credits on login. Bit Everyday app will get 30 credits, by using which you will get training on Design AI, and when you feel that this is the best AI tool for you, then you must use our affiliate link to buy it. It will benefit you, which is present in the description of this video. So there are many tools that can help you complete your project, most of which are premium, but image to image and text to image are free. If you want to test the premium, you can get the 7-day premium plan by clicking on Start Free Trial. Below this, you will find the option of Create Your Plan Style. Below this, we get to see the popular creatives. Here, below this, you get to see the popular creatives, and below, you get to see the library style if you want to create your own project. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Zine is the ultimate tool for creators looking to elevate their designs with AI. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, it's packed with features to help you create something amazing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment below, sharing how you'd use Dzine in your projects. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.